Okay guys, so I had to do another video because on the other one you couldn't, for some reason you couldn't see the homework, you could only see me. So I'm recording this one again just to show you how to do today's homework. Alright, so today it's going to be, the homework is going to be just like the activity. We're going to have to count the dots and then decide which one's the number. Like here, how many dots do I have? It's 1, 2, and 3. So which one is number 3? Is it this one, or this one? Well, it's not this one because that's number 2. And it's not this one, this is number 4. So number 3 will be this one. So you'll grab your circle or your oval and you will put it on number 3 to show me your answer. Pretty easy, right? Okay. So now I'm going to review what we learned today. Okay, so today we continue reviewing our numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, having to be able to identify the numbers, but also counting objects and matching it to the number. All right, and we're doing all of this so that we can practice and we'll be able to recognize the numbers. And right now we're focusing on number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I will see you here tomorrow where we will continue to review the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.